Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to transform drops of pigments into beautiful easy flowers and create a wonderful flower painting in minutes. So let's get started. I'm using a single pigment, that is cobalt blue, for these easy flowers. You can use any color of your choice. And I'm first going to do the base for the painting, which is not the usual textured surface that I create. Instead, my base is light colored flowers. Accordingly, the pigment is a little watery as opposed to the concentrated drops of pigments which we normally use for such flowers. So I put 5 drops of watery pigment on the paper, clean the brush, take out the excess water from the brush and form the petals from the droplets. My petals are almost rhombus in shape here. Make sure to clean your brush after doing a petal. If you feel there is still a lot of color in the drops for the base, we need a light base. You can create rounded petals or pointed petals, 6-petaled or 4-petaled flowers according to your choice. This is just an example that I am showing here. I'm using a 25% cotton cold pressed watercolor paper, 300 GSM, Camel Artist watercolors, and a synthetic round brush size 8 for this painting. So just see, in minutes our flowery base is ready. And I do the stems, leaves and buds also in monochrome. That is using the same cobalt blue pigment. Once the base for the painting is dry and ready, I start with the top layer of the flowers. I'm using the same pigment, cobalt blue. You can choose contrast pigments like bright orange, red or purple, etc. They will also look very nice here. For these flowers now, I'm using a slightly more concentrated pigment as I need darker colored flowers, though not very concentrated also, as I'm going to shade the flowers in layers step by step. So as step number 1, I do the base layer for the flowers, and once this layer is done, I take some more pigment for another layer while this layer is still wet. This will give a nice shading to the flowers, and because the base is wet, it will spread very well. This was step number 2. Now as step 3, some more concentrated pigment in the center of the flower, and after cleaning the brush, further shading the flowers. So these flowers I'm doing in 3 to 4 steps. Step 1, base layer. Step 2, 3, 4, etc. will be as many layers of shading as you want to do in the flowers. So just see, very beautiful and easy flowers, and we did not even use a pencil for any sketching. Directly painting with a brush. This will, believe me, give you immense confidence as you paint more of these in various shapes, like rounded petals, rhombus, or pointed petals, etc. I just love to do these basic simple flowers. They're easy, they don't take time, and they look very beautiful also. Instead of doing this painting in monochrome, you can do the flowers in 2 to 3 colors as well. Let me do that in my next tutorial. What do you say? I think a lovely idea, isn't it? So in this way, I paint a number of flowers, and I thought it's a good idea to give some red in the center of the flower. This will add some pep and give some bright color to the center. Now I come to painting the leaves and the stems, and I'm using sap green for that. You will see that the use of sap green immediately brings so much life and shape to our work. It gives a definition to the painting. I'm doing the entire painting using the same brush. You can do this part of the stems and leaves using a thinner brush also if you feel like. Do try this painting, and I'm sure you will love doing it. After this, if you wish, you can do any pen work also, though this part is just optional. And in fact, you can do the same work using a thin brush. I'm using color gel pens, golden, blue and red. So guys, our cute and easy flower painting is ready. I hope you liked the tutorial. In case you liked it, please hit the like button, share the video and subscribe to my channel. See you soon in yet another exciting tutorial. Till then, stay safe, keep happy, keep smiling. Goodbye.